Hi everyone. Have you ever opened a PDF, maybe a research paper, a business contract, or a legal document and thought, wow, this is way too complicated? Some documents are packed with technical terms, academic language, or complex legal phrases that are just hard to understand. Well, today I'm going to show you something that will completely change how you read PDFs. No more struggling to decode complicated jargon. Let's see how it works. First, download and install Tenorshare PDNob on your computer. Then launch Tenorshare PDNob on your computer. Click the Open PDF button, then select your file. In my case, I'm using an academic research paper. You can use any document, like a business report or legal contract. As you can see, PDNob loads the file quickly and keeps the layout exactly as it is. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to navigate, perfect for reviewing content before simplifying it. If you want to explain the PDF text in paragraph, simply highlight any part of the document, maybe a dense paragraph or a technical section that looks difficult to understand. As soon as you highlight it, a pop-up settings menu will appear right next to your selection. Now, look down to the bottom of that pop-up and you'll see 3 dots. Click on those. Inside that menu, you'll find an option called Explanation or Explain PDF Content. Click that, and PDNob's AI will immediately analyze the selected text and generate a clear, easy-to-understand explanation of what it means. You'll see the explanation appear right on the side panel, rewritten in plain language, while keeping the main idea intact. This is incredibly helpful when reading long academic paragraphs, legal statements, or industry-specific jargon. PDNob breaks it down into something you can understand in just a few seconds. So instead of struggling through confusing text, you can instantly get the meaning, context, and summary, all powered by PDNob's built-in AI assistant. Not only that, PDNob also comes with an AI side panel that makes the experience even more interactive. To use it, open the AI side panel from the toolbar. Here, you can upload your document, and the AI will start reading your entire PDF automatically. Once it's done, you can ask the AI anything you want about your document, whether it's a summary, a term definition, or a deeper explanation of a specific section. You could ask, summarize, or request detailed explanations for your PDF text. The AI will analyze your PDF and give you a detailed, easy-to-understand answer right inside the panel. So with this feature, you're not just reading your document, you're actually interacting with it. You can ask follow-up questions, request more detailed explanations, or even get simplified summaries of complex sections, all without leaving PDNob. Conclusion: using Tenorshare PDNob is incredibly simple. Just open your PDF, select the text, and click Explain PDF Content to instantly simplify or clarify any section. From the same pop-up or AI side panel, you can also choose other smart tools like Translate Text, Polish Writing, Continue Paragraph, Summarize, and even abbreviate content. This makes PDNob the perfect solution for anyone working with complex documents, whether it's research papers, business contracts, or detailed reports, helping you understand and manage PDF content faster and smarter than ever.